Facebook pages. Facebook pages are on the forefront of what businesses can do in order to maximize the success of both their online presence and their physical location. Mind you, not only businesses would benefit from having a Facebook page, but also brands and personalities. This is all because you can level the power of Facebook and its billions of daily visitors to connect with people and tell them about your business and other activities right through a Facebook page. When you create a Facebook page, you are basically creating a place for people to meet your business, and this also means that you will benefit from joining a community where there are more than 60 million active business pages. Facebook pages will also make it easier for you to connect with your customers because more than 1 billion people use the Facebook Messenger, which is already integrated with all Facebook pages to communicate more directly with other people and with businesses of all kinds. Facebook pages are also a great way to reach your potential customers wherever they are, because they are a great mobile hub for the more than 1 billion people that use Facebook on mobile devices every day. How do you go about getting a Facebook page for your business or your online activities? Well, creating a Facebook page is an easy task that will allow you to have a beautiful online presence in a matter of mere minutes. The best part is that creating a Facebook page is both very simple and free, and Facebook pages look as good on desktop as they do on all types of mobile devices. Facebook pages are feature-rich, and they are built to get only the best results possible for any kind of online venture or enterprise. Facebook pages will allow you to spread the word and build an audience from scratch by providing you with the right marketing tools to promote your pages to the right people. Facebook pages will also provide you and your customers with a great communications channel with the Facebook Messenger, which will allow you to stay in touch with people directly from your page. Facebook pages can be built to attract an audience around your business with the use of the appropriate page management tools, and you can always improve your page with Page Insights, which will allow you to view reports on how people are reacting to your pages so you can make changes on your page to get better results. Creating a Facebook page. The actual process of creating a Facebook page is quite simple, even easier than making a Facebook account. It all starts by going to www.facebook.com/pages/create, choosing your industry. Once you have gone ahead and started making your Facebook page, the next step will be for you to choose what kind of brand you are going to want to apply to the page. Are you an independent artist looking to go professional? Then you will want to pick the public figure category. Are you starting a local business? Then you should choose the local business or place category. While it may seem self-explanatory, the first step of successful branding is knowing what it is you are going to brand. Once you have chosen a category, go ahead and choose one of the many subcategories provided. Facebook page creation comes with its own set of terms and conditions, so be sure to check up on those in the same way you should when making a Facebook account. Finally, give your page a name, something that will be both eye-catching and friendly, but formal and professional as well. Click on the blue Get Started tab and get started on customizing your page. Page customization. From here, there are a number of things you can do. The first thing that would be recommended is providing links to a website, blog, or other social media account. While Facebook is a great way to brand yourself or a company, you are going to need a place to direct viewers who want more information. Twitter handles, blog URL, website URL, LinkedIn page, Instagram page. These are just some of the ways you can keep your brandings connected. The possibilities are nearly endless. Templates. Designing your Facebook page is more than just posting a profile pic and a background picture and calling it a day. Studies have shown that viewers are attracted to specific menus and page setups. By going to the Settings tab, you can choose from a selection of templates, but you can also manage how messaging, photos, and events are all presented on the page. Think about what you want to be in the spotlight of your page. For example, a nonprofit organization might want to display their events front and center for viewers to become more interested in taking action. Tips of the trade. There never seems to be an end to the ways that you can improve your Facebook page. But for now, here are a few ways that you can get started. Be engaging. It is not enough to get a viewer to click on the Facebook page. You have to make them want to stay on the page itself. Some of the best ways to do this are making a recognizable profile picture, having an engaging cover photo, having an enriching description, organizing your tabs, throwing in some apps on the page, and posting photos and video regularly. Be accessible. It is not enough to have a Facebook that looks good if nobody finds their way to it. To get more traffic onto your page, look into Making your page mobile friendly. Using SEO, search engine optimization. Time your posts at the most relevant times. Share relevant images. Use other relevant brands of similar industry. Advertise your best posts. And use a call to action when needed.